Welcome to lesson 4 of Microsoft Excel 2010. In this lesson we are going to learn about functions in Excel. A function is a predefined spreadsheet formula that performs a calculation. The spreadsheet automatically recognizes the function name and performs a calculation associated with that particular function. All functions must start with an equal to sign, and it must be typed in the formula bar. Looking at our example, we want to find the total marks for each pupil in grade 12A. So I want to put this formula or this function in cell G7. So I'm going to type equal to, and I want to find the sum of test 1, test 2, test 3 and the pet marks. So I'll say equal to, and you will notice now that the sum function appears. There are other functions as well, or predefined functions: sum, average, if, hyperlink, and so on. But for this particular instance, I want to find the sum of, I click on sum, and my dialog box opens and it wants the arguments, right, number 1, and I am quickly going to click and drag from cell C7 to cell F7. So it's from the sum of all the values from cell C7 to cell F7, and I simply click OK. And you will find that it has now calculated the sum of test 1, test 2, test 3 and the pet mark for Skuman Estelle. I now basically copy this formula down using the crosshairs or the fill handle or the autofill function. Let's look at another function. We want to find the average mark for test 1. So start my function in the formula bar, equal to, I click on the down arrow here to locate the average function. My dialog box opens and I will click and highlight my cell range. My cell range is from cell C7 to cell C10, and I simply click OK, and we will have the average of test 1, which is 62. I will now quickly copy this down or across for the other cells. Just 2 more examples. I want to find the median. I go to cell C13, in my formula bar, equal to. Now I cannot locate my function, the median function here. It's not available. So I will click on more functions and type a brief description of what you want to do and click go. So I will type median, I'll click on go, there we go, there's the median. Click on it, click on OK. I then highlight my cell range from cell C7 to C10 and I click OK. I copy this function across, to the other cells. And just one more example we are going to do. Let's calculate the maximum mark for test 1. Again, in my formula bar, equal to, max is for maximum, highlight my cell range, click OK. I can thereafter copy this cell across for test 2, test 3, pet and the total. So that was our lesson on spreadsheet functions.